All right, guys, in today's video, I want to talk to you about my biggest stacking mistakes. Stay tuned. All right, everyone, welcome back. Once again, my name is Silver Britches, and in today's video, I want to talk to you about my personal biggest stacking mistakes, what I regret the most. And in order to improve yourself, you do have to, kind of go through your stack and see what you got, see what you probably made an impulse buy here or there that you regret. I'm sure a lot of you do. I know I have some, but I'm going to, I'm not going to pull all that out. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to tell you a couple of my personal mistakes that I regret. Now, number one, I regret not buying enough constitutional junk silver. I do. I regret it. I've got probably 70 or 80 ounces of it, and that's it. Most of my bullion is your 1 ounce variety government sovereign bullion. So that's my biggest mistake. As you can see, it's great. You know what I mean? You can hold this stuff in your hand. It's beautiful. It's history. It's part of our nation or your nation, because I know other countries have junk silver too. So it's a great part of adding weight to your stack. You know what I mean? And it's very, very cheap. A lot of times you can get it under spot. So I really, really regret not getting enough of this. I mean, I really do. I mean, that's one of my biggest regrets right there, is not getting more junk silver, because the value of it is just, it's astronomical in my opinion. And I really need to get more, but man, I'm just hooked on silver eagles at the moment. So I kind of got to break. I kind of have to break myself from buying them. You know what I mean? So I really want to get back into buying more junk silver, because number one is it's just cheap. So whenever the silver price goes down like it is right now, it is the perfect time to buy junk silver, in my opinion, because of the fact that once silver rises, that makes your junk silver more valuable. You know what I mean? Because whenever you go to sell this stuff, you're going to lose money on it. You're not going to get spot. You know what I mean? So it's best to buy junk silver and generic silver when the spot price goes down. So that's just a little tip for me. That's just my way of thinking about it. So that's one of my biggest regrets right there, is not getting enough of that. Now, my other biggest regret is just number one is, well, it's actually number two, is waiting to get in on gold. Now, I wanted to get a nice solid silver foundation first. That was what I was wanting to do. It was important to me at the time because of the fact that I just felt like silver was the place to be. But the more and more I look at past trends, past charts, things like that, I realized that I need to add more gold to my stack. I need to diversify. I need to get it to at least 50-1, in my opinion, just for me. Now, I still got a long way to go. I do. But it's a work in progress. And right now, gold is just so high right now. It's hard to, it's hard to buy some. But we are on the right path, guys. We are on the right path. So we are headed in the right direction for gold. But right now I'm hanging tight. So I still have all of my other fractionals. I have not exchanged any. You know what I mean? So just to let you know, I still got all my gold from my previous videos. But my biggest regret that I have as far as stacking is not starting soon enough. It really is. It's my biggest regret that I have. That, and I'll give you one more regret after this one, but my biggest regret is not stacking soon enough. I waited too long to get into it. I knew about it. I've always known about it. It's just I never really put it all together until I actually bought my son 20 ounces of silver American Eagles for his graduation last year. I bought him a sealed tube, so he can't open it. It's there. It's protected for however long he keeps it. So, and that got me thinking at that time, hey, this trucker's got more silver than me. So that just kind of cascaded from there of me buying silver. So my biggest regret so far is not starting soon enough, because I do see the value in it. I do see what's happening, because when I started, it was in the 13s or 14s. I want to say it was 14s. And now it's up to 17 something per ounce. So I'm already, doing great as far as that goes. But I wish I would have started sooner. Now my other regret is it's not too bad of a regret, but I do kind of regret buying so much silver from the UK. I really do like these royal arms. I really do. I love those, and that's why I show them a lot. Is because they're beautiful. They are, they're gorgeous. I mean, they really are. And I got a great deal on those, like I've said in the past, and that's why I bought them. But I really wish I wouldn't have spent so much on getting them, because underneath these gold pieces, I got a couple Queen's Beasts, and I mean, I got like probably 75, 76 ounces of various UK silver, and I really think I might have overdone it on that. So that was another solid mistake for me that I feel. One tube of them is plenty for your stack. You know what I mean? To me, that's plenty, but I kind of overdid it. So, I kind of get addicted to buying something at one point, and then I just keep buying that, and then by then it's too late. So it's all about moderation, and I have to kind of make myself stop buying something so I don't regret it. But right now, guys, I want to stack Canadian silver maples, American silver eagles, and of course my junk Constitution silver. I'm done on gold for a while, guys. So it's just too high. It really is. And I know I made a fractional video on gold probably a couple months ago, and it's still getting hits today. And everybody was saying, well, not everybody, but there were some comments in there, you're gonna get killed on the premiums on fractional gold. Well, I bought all that in the 14, so I'm good now. So it does kind of pay off, to buy fractional gold. So but that's going to do it for today, guys. I really appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. If you don't mind, please like, comment, and subscribe, and also share. All right. Have a great day. Remember, keep grinding on your stack.